name's Mia and I'm currently a second-year student here at Fiit. How did I get here? So I was in high school looking for a school where I could actually use logic and I wouldn't have to just memorize some lessons. And that's exactly what I found here at Fiit. Since I come from quaint little town, approximately 2 hours away from Bratislava, so as soon as I got here for school, it was such a new world that I had to immerse myself in. I got to meet brand new people and rely on myself. But it was easier just because at Fiit, the community is really huge and perfect. Those people want to help you, and whatever you ask, they're very happy to help you. I think the technology in general is only going to grow their potential, and we're going to need them in every single job. Whether one would study computer science or not, anyone who wants to keep up with the times today needs to know technology somehow. So why not dive into them deeper, and why not learn to use them to your advantage?
Hi, my name is Philip Zatrok and I'm a student of the last year of my bachelor's degree. Fiit gives me opportunities so that I can choose a job after school that I'm going to enjoy, that will be creative. I really like to travel, and I know that after school I'll be able to have a job that I can work from anywhere in the world. So while studying, a person has the opportunity to travel for study visits. I've been to Poland, and many of my classmates were also in other countries like Norway, Sweden, Portugal, or Spain, where they've tried living abroad.